Hi, my name is Alice Lee. I'm looking forward to getting started in EDT 520. I'd like to tell you a little about myself. I grew up in Lincoln, Rhode Island. I have 4 sisters and 1 brother. We are spread out from Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Jersey, California, Hawaii, and of course, I'm in Maine, but we get together every summer in Little Compton, Rhode Island for a week. I came to Maine to go to the University of Maine at Orono, and I have made Maine my home. This is my family. My husband, Chris, works for Sargent Corporation out of Stillwater, and he works in the field of construction. Our son, Gavin, went to UMaine at Orono and studied mechanical engineering. He lives and works in Lebanon, New Hampshire. He started rugby when he was at Orono, and he is still playing and loves it. Our daughter, Morgan, went to Providence College, and she works in Boston for DraftKings. This is a picture of her with her little sister, Rebecca, from the Big Sister, Little Sister program. This is my teaching team. We teach 2nd grade at the Crescent Park School in Bethel, Maine. And this is a picture of us from last summer. We went to Hawaii. We spent 4 days on Maui and a week on Oahu, and my sister Amy showed us around, which was really fantastic. We had been through the national board process and got through, and that was a very wonderful way for us to celebrate. I was at a conference a couple of summers ago, and I met Steve Spangler, and I put this picture here because he is very enthusiastic about teaching and learning, and his enthusiasm was contagious, and that's the kind of teacher that I like and want to be. That leads us to technology. I'm not a native, but I love it and I embrace the learning. I've had a smartboard in my room for the last 10 years. Our district has one-to-one technology K-12. We use iPads K-2 and the laptops in grades 3 to 12. And finally, what keeps me going? I love music. I'm very excited to say that I got Newport Jazz Festival tickets a couple of days ago. I love spending time with family and friends, taking on challenges, good food. I love my coffee. I brew chaga and I make homemade kombucha. And I love to exercise. I love my sleep. And that's a little about me, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you this semester.